This is the Ferrari 12Cilindri, a breathtaking blend of heritage, elegance, and pure Ferrari soul. Inspired by the iconic front-engine Grand Tours of the 1960s, the 12Cilindri combines classic proportions with futuristic aerodynamics and modern Italian design. And under its sculpted hood lives the legend, a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine. No hybrid, no turbo, just pure Ferrari emotion. It produces over 819 horsepower, screams all the way to 9,500 RPM, and launches from 0 to 100 in just 2.9 seconds. Its top speed? Over 340 kilometers per hour. Ferrari calls it the Symphony of engineering, and once you hear it, you'll understand why. Inside, the cabin is a masterpiece. Dual digital cockpit, premium Italian leather, carbon fiber, and Ferrari's signature driver-focused layout. With rear-wheel steering, magnetic suspension, and advanced aerodynamics. This car is designed not just for speed, but for emotion, precision, and control. The Ferrari 12Cilindri is not just a car. It is a tribute to the past, a celebration of the present, and a promise to the future of V12 perfection. This is Ferrari at its purest.